Hey, it's lunchtime. Cue the ramyun. Grab the gimbap. But first, let's get the sprunkies ready for some fine dining.
Oh.
Now we can really get things cooking. Fill it up with water. Now grab your favorite ramyun. Instant Rumi ramyun. Never leave home without it. This might take a while. Hey, where are you going? Come back, you guys! We've got toppings! Toppings! Guess this is one of those don't break your noodles households. Oh, you're at the table. Aw, you sprunkies are so well-mannered. It's movie time, and that means popcorn. Which means we need to make some popcorn. Or better yet, we could make a new friend. Or an old friend, like Zoe. Complete with a big smile. She's the perfect movie-watching buddy. Especially when Abby is on the screen. See? This way, the popcorn practically provides itself. Now dig in. Uh-oh! The sprunkies got into Rumi's secret stash! And it looks like they're not the only ones. Careful, this snack bag can bite back. Looks like Rumi's gonna need a helping hand. Ah, Rumi always likes to leave her mark. But we need to stick it to these bugaboos. Come in handy. Good, we caught a worm.
Ooh.
Make it a straw.
Wow.
I just knew that magic wand was a good investment. Cut it up. It'll really give our hands some bones. Run some string through them. Think of it as the marrow. Now why don't we pay a visit to our new pal, Mr. Roach? Careful, those things put up a fight. Aw, Derpy sleeps just like a little angel. But now he's about to meet 3 new devils. Oh, behave. Remember, he used to work for Genu. Ooh, Derpy's got an idea.
Yeah.
What a clever tiger goblin kitty thing. Rumi has so many skills. Who knew paper folding was one of them? We can use it to make anything, like the Sprunkies' own Derpy.
Wow.
Everyone gets a Derpy. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little Derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits. It's a tie! Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around.
Ooh.
Here, guys, we've got a special sleeping nook for you. Rumi is a singer. Oh, it's the atmosphere. You want a cooler bed. Well, we're all out of race car beds. I checked. But that Derpy-shaped piece of cardboard might help. All we need now is a paintbrush.
Huh?
No, a paintbrush. No, a paintbrush. That's it.
Ooh.
Don't be blue, unless you're Derpy. Then it's on brand. The same also applies to the Smurfs. Next, we'll need a sock scribe? Oh, I see what you guys did there. Either way, we can use it to make pillows.
Huh?
Hey, Mr. Rooster needs our help. All part of the K-pop Demon Hunter's job.
Bye-bye.
And this bed could use this stylish chain. Derpy ain't got that thing if we ain't got that swing. Oh, this place is really coming together, but it still needs something. The remote. Let's just watch videos on your phone. Hopefully nothing happens when your back is turned. Oh no! The sprunkies are out and about! Yeah, Rumi, I'd come back if I were you. Oh no! They broke the TV! Sure, online videos are funnier. And far better written. But still, it's TV! Maybe you sprunkies can fix it before she gets back. Something tells me that some cardboard will save the day. Not sure what Rumi's up to, but she might be a while. That should give you plenty of time to fix things. Add a few stickers and it'll look just like a TV. Stand it up and add a nice background. Ooh, you're gonna put on a show. Just in time, Rumi's found the remote. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to raise the curtains on the Sprunky Show tonight. Come on, Sprunkies. Rumi's got a treat for you. We've got lollipops, one for each of you. All of your favorite flavors, cherry, melon, and purple. I'm sure we can clean it up. Careful now, we don't want it to melt. But this gives me an idea. Trace out the shape. Look, it's Pinky. 2 for the price of 1. Cut them out. Fold her up, and she can hold the candy for you.
Ooh.
In fact, let's make one for each of you. Oh, naughty Sprunkies. You guys need a bath.
Ew.
What? Don't tell me you're dry clean only. Don't worry, we've got Color Guard. Ah, a banana peel. Oldie but a goodie. That loofah should come in handy. Like I always say, lamination solves all life's problems. I really do say that, by the way. We'll give the Sprunkies a demonstration. Now they'll know it's fun to get clean. Almost as fun as watching internet videos. Sure, slime's fun and all, but there's a time and a place. And that place is not on your antennae! Okay, that did the trick. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 Sprunkies in a tub. And soon, they'll be good as new. Now we'll need to dry you off. Don't worry, we know how to keep you warm. Huntrix is on its world tour, but it looks like they're making a pit stop. Here's hoping you girls have a safe landing. Quick, somebody catch them! Wow, heaven's missing 3 little angels. But where are we gonna put them all? A cardboard house? It's not quite what K-pop idols are used to. After all, they've got some high ambitions. Okay, I think the girls are up to something. Well, whatever they're up to, they already owe Derpy a new bowl. Well, we're in the money now, girls. I was thinking more shopping spree, but you do you. Anyway, it's time to paint with glitter and gold. What? You don't expect Huntrix to do it themselves. Then again, this could be practical. I mean, who knows how much paint costs these days? Ooh, it's shiny, but something tells me it could use a bit of a soft touch. Soon we'll really have our own castle in the clouds. I think we can afford to miss a few pieces here and there. See, we had plenty to fill out a roof. Okay, girls, I think you'll be happy to step inside. Uh-oh, we kind of forgot about the interior. Unless, of course, you're into early Halloween. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Seriously, we're only a few minutes into this video. Wow, a rainbow! Just what we need to add a splash of color. And we've got a trick to add a bunch of colors at once. Pretty soon, everything will be coming up rainbows. I guess watching us work is tiring for them. But we've got a special bed in mind for you. You'll see, it's the perfect thing for musicians. Sure, it might not look like much at first. But just wait, it's an accordion mattress. Make storage a breeze. Add a cushion. Plus some decorative pillows. Try it out. Nighty-night. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Uh-oh, I think they took that as a challenge. What could be behind all these bugaboos? Should have known. Chinu, he's back. In bee form. I think Wee Ma demoted the Saja boys. Ooh, but they're still too cute to swat. Maybe a little paper craft is what we need. Just remember, sometimes it's easy being green. Especially when you put a nice face on things. Bugs beware, a hungry frog! And he comes with a long tongue. Gotta catch 'em all. To think, soon we could start our own hive. You bees should know you can't mess with a queen. Wow, Huntrix is huge. They've got fans under the sea. Our friends from all over are here to see them. Girls, do you want to go out and greet your fans? Maybe we can find another way to bring music to the masses. We're gonna need to make a new kind of boombox and make it shine. Emphasis on the box. In fact, we're gonna need another one. 'Cause we're gonna need a speaker. Just make sure to make it shine. Our new booth is 3 speakers high. And Sussy is here to help you take things on the road. Hey everyone, we're on the lookout for a DJ. Oh, how about you, Derpy? I mean, DJ Derpy. You just can't beat that alliteration. Huntrix can have a break thanks to this opening act. Let's just hope they're not trying to sleep through this. Meanwhile, the girls have gold on their mind, and not just records. But everyone knows that wanting is better than having. That's why blind bags are just so fun to try. It's always a surprise to see just what you got. Let's see what Zoe's got. Ooh, a golden chain. At this size, it's a tiara, complete with matching earrings. Now let's see what comes with Mira's blind box. Ooh, it looks like she gets a chain with some earrings too. Ruby red this time. But she's gonna wear it a little differently than Zoe. Don't worry, we didn't forget about you, Rumi. And these boxes really aren't breaking tradition. Truly a crowning glory for our pop royalty. These girls are ready to meet their public. But first, I think we're gonna need to set the stage. Good thing we've already got your backdrop blown up. And we can't have a curtain call without a curtain. We need to help these girls shine up the night. Let's add some fairy lights with some golden decorations. Now hang it up so everyone can see. Wow! Now that's how you make an entrance. Come on, girls, it's time to go up, up, up. Come on, everybody, get on your feet. There's no sitting around here. Everyone wants an encore, but you gotta leave everyone wanting more. I think you girls earned a treat. Make sure to leave a tip. Just look at all these goodies. Spread it out. We've got dumplings, candies, and lotus root. Why don't we get the girls' lunchbox ready? Hey, look, all of this stuff is doll food, which is the perfect thing when preparing lunch for dolls. Sure, you can't actually eat any of this, but on the bright side, just imagine the shelf life. And the fun of packing them up never has to end. No matter how much it makes your mouth water. Here, girls, you've got your very own bento box. Well, you don't have to ask them twice. Bon appetit. Ooh, anyone want an after-dinner mint? Meanwhile, we've got to clean up after the concert. Don't worry, girls. We know to work smarter, not harder. We're just gonna need to whip up some labor-saving devices. That's too much work. Just one device, but a really big one. And look, it's even on brand. It's a Derpy machine. Gotta love Derpy, especially when he brings his appetite. Good kitty.